Hello and welcome to the Notepad section of the Notion template. Think of this as your go-to resource place, note-taking place, and occasional journal. It's pretty straightforward. You have a new page button, we create a new page, and then put whatever you want on here. Write the name of the information. Say, is this kind of a journal? Is this an idea for something? Like bodies of work, art opportunities, social media content, and then put a category. Is this artwork, personal, business, home? If it's one of these categories, great. If not, you can always add your own. This could be journal, and it can be a journal entry. Remember, just like any part of Notion, if you ever want to find something from here, you can search it in the search bar. So ideas for bodies of work. And you can find it directly here and go directly to the Notepad section, just like if you have a task, you can search it and find it there as well. And again, with the Notepad section, if you're ever in goal planning, you can simply use the @ sign to add a copy and a link to the section. So ideas for bodies of work. You can do this in any section and it'll automatically bring you to whatever you're at. So as you are making this notepad and research section, it's a great way for you to make resources that you use in different parts of your Notion. So good luck and happy writing.